Here Nibiru appears on the scene. Zacharias Sitchin spoke a lot about this planet, which follows a long elliptical orbit, reaching this inner solar system roughly every 3,600 years. Many people believe this is a cosmic navigated ship. Sitchin found information about it, again, in Mesopotamia. The planet of crossing, which is the English for Nibiru, got its name due to a disposition of its orbit, which crosses the Earth orbit and orbits of other planets of the solar system. Direction of its movement is opposite to other planets. This historical information is being ridiculed, which is the most effective way to keep people from a critical, vital, often quite obvious information. Ridicule, sarcasm, skepticism is not even a humor. It's an intentional deed of making a laughingstock. Yet historical evidences of Nibiru visiting the Earth does exist. Whether you believe ancient myths or not, scientific researchers indicate existence of the mysterious unknown planet in solar system. Year 1972. Joseph Brady, associate of the laboratory of the University of California, noticed an orbit's deflection of Halley's comet as a result of influence of an unknown celestial body. According to his calculations, it could be a planet 5 times bigger by mass than the Earth and 3 times further from the Sun than Neptune, with orbital period of more than 500 years. Year 1981. Based on the data received from the spaceships Voyager, Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11, the group of scientists made a conclusion that there is a planet behind Pluto with orbital period more than 1,000 years. Astronomy magazine informs about it. Year 1982. Pictures made by artificial infrared satellite of the Earth were published in the New York Times and New Times. They captured a mysterious object that cannot be a comet. Scientists assume it could be either planet, similar to Uranus, or a dark star. It suggests that these two orbits arrange a cross, and they are not parallel. Cross is a favorite sign of Christianity. It should be noticed that on the Russian Orthodox Church domes, under the cross, we see a lying crescent, but that is very unusual, because on Russian sky, crescent either looks like a letter C or letter P, depending on its being old or early, which means that crescent stands upright. And only recently crescent on the sky began to play, and sometimes now it does lie as on depiction of Christian Orthodox crosses. Ancient prophecies state that the end of the world and Nibiru will appear at the moment when crescents start to play. Let us stop looking under our feet and start looking at the sky. You will see many interesting things there. You will see many UFOs that move on the sky along irregular orbits, but people pay little attention to them. If the cross is symbol of Nibiru, then whom do Christians worship? Jesus Christ or Nibiru, the planet of reptiles who seeks to enslave the Earth? Leo Tolstoy wrote, "It is absolutely fair that I have renounced the Church, calling itself Orthodox. But I renounced it not because I revolted against Jesus Christ, but on the contrary, because I desired to serve Him with all my soul. At the same time, I was convinced that the doctrine of the Orthodox Church theoretically is insidious and harmful lie, and practically is grossest superstitious and witchcraft that hides completely the whole meaning of the true Christian teaching."